Alright, Labor Day weekend, going for a hike in Loess State Forest. That's kind of the ridge we're going to head to. Maybe do a little squirrel hunting on the way. Set up a nice camp. People think Iowa's flat. It's not. Last night, it's in a stand of ironwood and cedar and a couple of hickories. Didn't do much filming last night. There's that one person, Big Agnes, that the eldest is still sleeping in. Are you awake? Well, the chairs. It's just a piece of parachute that you can sling up, real light to carry. My new tarp. Old Kelty. Heating up some water for some coffee.